If your Windows hard drive has crashed or you want to replace your hard drive, this video is for you. First thing you want to do is use another laptop to create a bootable pen drive. To do this, insert a pen drive into the working computer. Once the pen drive is in, just go to Google and type in create bootable USB Windows 10 and select that option. Click on the media creation tool from the Microsoft website, and this will take you into the Microsoft website page. So here you can see create installation media. You can read all of these jazz. We are trying to create it for Windows 10. So download Windows 10 site. That's where we need to click. And it will bring you to this new page. If you were to scroll a little bit at the bottom, it will give you an option of use the installation media creation tool, USB flash drive. In our case, this is the one. If you click on this, it will tell you everything you need. You need internet connection, you need sufficient available data storage on the PC, a blank USB drive, at least 8 GB. After you have read everything, go up and click on download now. And as you can see, this download bar is loading. And media creation tool exe file is there. You can now go into your folder and locate this file under downloads. So media creation tool 2H2 is there. Double click on it. It should open it automatically. If not, you can always go down here. So in this case, I'm going to click this button here, and this icon brings the Windows 10 setup page, and this is loading at the moment. So we wait, and once the loading is complete, this page will pop up. And here all you have to do is click on the accept button on the bottom right hand corner, and it will take you to the next menu. Here you click on the create installation media and click on next button here. Once they check the language, if it is the one you wanted, and check for the edition, Windows 10 in this case, and click next again. Now it will tell you which media to use. In our case, we are using the flash drive, USB flash drive basically. So this option here is correct. So once you're happy, click on the next button and it will bring you this menu now. It says that it will be downloading on a removable drive, which is D. You can always go onto the bottom here, click on this USB and then check that the drive is correct. In our case it is. Click on next and it will bring you to the next page. This is the window where actually the Windows 10 is being downloaded. I'm going to fast forward this video so that you're not waiting here for eternity. Once everything is done, you get this page where it says your flash drive is ready. Click on finish and it will take you to this next page. And once this page has disappeared, make sure that you only eject your pen drive by going to this option here. You can right click on here and you will get this menu. Click on eject here, or alternatively you can go to the bottom of the screen. If you click on this up arrow here, it will come up with this safely remove option, and clicking on it would say safe to remove the hardware. Now you have successfully and safely removed your pen drive that has got the boot software for your Windows laptop. Now you can physically remove this pen drive from your laptop. Turn on the targeted laptop and press F2 key while it is restarting. This will bring up the boot menu. Options can be selected by using these buttons up, down, left and right. Click on right until you get onto the boot menu, which is the fourth option here. On the boot menu, we are trying to change our priority where USB storage device is our first priority. Go to it and press enter. It will bring up this menu. Basically, the hard drive is our first priority at the moment and our USB pen drive is second priority. Now we want to change the second priority to the first priority so that pen drive is our first priority. Now move the selection to USB hard drive, press enter. This will switch the places between the USB storage device and hard drive so that the USB storage device becomes the first choice. So in this case, hard drive being selected, if I press enter, it will now switch and you can see that USB storage device is now our first priority. Basically use those arrows again to move on to the exit, and then when save changes and reset is selected, press enter and then press enter again to save everything as yes. Time to connect this bootable USB into your computer, and if already not done so, restart your computer, and at this time it will start to boot from this USB drive. As you can see, it is now booting, and as it is booting, you just wait until this Windows logo is coming up. After that, it will just follow asking you for further information like language input and current language, keyboard, etc. etc. Click on the next button, which will then take you to the next page. Press on install now to install this Windows. As you see, it says setup is starting. At some point, it will now ask you to put a product code or serial number of your Windows. Here, you can input it. I'm not gonna display it, but I'll input it and press enter. Once I press the enter button, this is what it comes up as. It will ask me where to install the software. This is the internal hard drive space. So I will select it. As you can see, it's highlighted blue, and once it is selected, we just have to hit the next button, and this is where it will start to copy the Windows into this new hard drive, which is already inside my computer, and it will just follow these different stages until the whole installation is complete. So I'm just going to fast forward the rest of the video to make it quicker. Once everything is done, unplug this USB drive so that your computer will start to boot from the hard drive, and once it's restarted, just follow the on-screen instructions and your laptop should be ready to go. That's the end of the video, guys. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, hit that bell icon, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.